On a warm February evening, we're at Los Angeles International Airport looking over at Terminal B. Here we have an Emirates A380 and a Lufthansa Boeing 747 lined up at gates near each other. As the 747 gets shoved back from their gate, a smaller Alaskan airline flight comes in on the taxiway. While I won't be posting too much plane content, I hope you guys enjoyed this first plane video on the Michigan Central Shorts channel. I'm not super into planes, but I do find planes like the 747 or A380 to be very interesting. As they're still being tugged along, the 747 passes behind the A380, which is still loading in its gate. Now away from their tug, they're set up in a perfect position to be lined up with the A380 behind. And as we were taking this shot, the A380 is shoved from their gate. Something only possible at a few airports in the world, the Boeing 747 and the Airbus A380 are lined up on the taxiway at LAX. As the two flights prepare to go to their runways, we get the classic side view of the Boeing 747 as they pass by Terminal B. The Emirates Airbus A380 would follow close behind. With their path now cleared, the A380 passes by Terminal B as well. This was meant to compete with the 747, and Emirates is one of the major operators of the A380. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this slightly different content from me. If you like this video or train videos, please don't forget to subscribe for future rail fanning videos.